Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Today I want to share with you a sweet afternoon treat. Your little ones will be so excited to enjoy a taste of this kid-friendly sparkling cotton candy drink. With just 2 ingredients, you can make them a fun drink to enjoy after school or on a lazy afternoon. You only need cotton candy and seltzer water. Add some cotton candy to your favorite glass. Pour the seltzer water over the top and add a fun straw. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.